Tonight on Airsoft, we get a little too lost and rely on a map and a game plan.
What's the time?
Will gets a little too heated
I
over
shot him
some
at least 5
stupid
times.
nonsense.
I shot him 5 times! He literally looked at you! Yes he did, I started shooting after.
Rob team kills.
Will! What the fuck are you doing?
And Rob drives his old granddad's F-150. Hello lads and ladies, today you join us at the Ground Zero Airsoft site. Today we have flanked the enemy and we are now trying to eliminate everyone one by one.
In front of us, in front of us.
Sorry. Sorry.
Run back, run back. Whoa, we need to go, we need to go, we need to go. Oh, we need to go. I don't know. Come over here, whoa. Fuck it, we're blending in, Hey. In front. Yeah, I know. Stay fucking still. We have marshals to our right. Easy. Huh?
The enemy had tried to ambush us as we spawn in, yet little did they know it was right in front of them.
He's coming in. Oh, he's coming in. Oh, his team. Oh.
Sorry, mate. So sorry.
Sorry, mate. Sorry. I apologise. Wait, Will, which is in front? Will, in front. Yeah, I know, but there's fucking people right in front of us. Fuck it, if we just bolt it across there. Straight through, because there's no fucking else to go. They're gonna shoot us, I know they are.
Yeah, alright. I can send it.
Yeah. Move in front, to the left. Wait, Will, one's trying to shoot me. Fucking hell. Will! Huh? What do you want to do? Oh, that ain't fucking friendly. We're in front of us. Oh, no, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. My bad, I'm colourblind, I'm colourblind. Holy shit. Someone's in front of us. Is it green? Blue, blue. Oh, there's gonna be another one, there's gonna be another one. Oh, there's gonna be another one. Wait, right in front, these bushes, right in front. Right in front, just these bushes. There was a blue in there. Where'd you fuck?
Bye, Rod. See you, mate.
Yeah. Go get him, we'll go get him. I shot him at least 5 times. I shot him 5 times! He literally looked at you. Yes, he did. I started shooting after he shot you. I literally shot him, bro. Well, I literally shot him like 6 times. He didn't count it. He didn't count the first one. Fucking get the fuck out of here, cunt! Whoa! Oh.
That's my guy.
No fucking shot.
Did you not see it? No.
Really? Oh my god. Should we go sit in the tower? Gillie's in the tower. Oh, hurry up! God.
Oh, hit!
So here I sped it up because bro just took too long to clear this house.
You're hit, mate. Yeah. I'll let you come down. Do you want me to take your gun or something? There you go, mate. You alright, mate?
Yeah.
Oh, that seems to be your... If you don't mind just taking that.
Breaker.
Yeah.
I didn't even know you were here.
I'm not brother, mate. Yeah, take the tower. Will! What the fuck are you doing? No, it's just me. I took the whole fucking tower. Should I just start shooting so they come up here? Whereabouts? You go have a little look. Check, we'll check. Oranges?
There's green, blue, and oranges.
Fuck you, go!
Oh! So hard. Oh my lord.
Are you hit?
No, but it's definitely a go outside. Let's go that way. Oh, we're gonna get needed.
Yeah.
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 What colour are you? I'm green. Ah.
Still, they won't see your silhouette.
Yeah, I'm seeing orange now. Just in front. There we go.
So from here the camera gets hit and
it's stopping
the
me from
perspective is really hard to see out of, so I'm just going to show you the clips from the gun that he shot.
Push in the house, Lou. Oh. Just in front of us.
We're gonna get fucked if we walk like that.
Yeah.
I see someone. Oh. Blue.
Right,
They're
where?
gonna shoot us. Straight across.
I can't see him.
To the right a little. To the right. See that opening?
Oh, you
Black
fucker.
silhouette. You see a black silhouette, like a little head.
Yeah, I can't get that.
Do you see it though?
I can see him.
Aiming
Yeah.
at us.
Should I start shooting?
Yeah.
Fuck it, hell. Go. Move back. Move the fuck back. Move. Fucking go.
I have to be careful, there's like a squadron of 5 blues in a bunch.
Bye.
Ah, right in the mail. Well, you got that one. See you, mate.
Well, that ain't good. Well. You're hit, mate. You're hit, mate. You got hit first, mate. Fucking twat. Struggles of being a YouTuber. Thank you for being very cooperative. Yeah.
Fucking typical.
No, there's people to the left. Look, you can literally hear them shooting. Oh, fucking in the neck hit.